We are Reagan Readers Event Services, your dream, our reality. So, ang title po ng event namin is MBC Alumni Coming and Fellowship Night, which is gagawin sa August 5, 2025 sa MBC Gymnasium, Tabasan Oriental, Mindoro. And ang pangalan po ng services namin is Reagan Readers Event Services, which is, ibig sabihin po ng Reagan is, nagsisimbol ito ng happiness or joy na kung saan ang gagawin namin event is i-make sure namin na yung mga customer na may encounter namin is magiging masaya sila sa event na gagawin namin services sa kanila. And then yung readers naman ito ay nagsisimbol ng memorable, which is kung saan yung event na maranasan nila is magiging memorable sa kanila.
Reuniting alumni from batch 2018-2019 to 2022-2023. Ito ay ang muling pag-reunite ng mga dating mag-aaral dito sa NICSO, kung saan muling pagsasamahin ang dating kaklase, magbahagi ng karanasan at palabasin ang pagkikipag-ugnayan sa bawat isa. Celebrating memories and building new connections. Ito ay ang pagpapahalaga sa mga nakaraang karanasan at paggamit ng mga ito bilang pundasyon para sa pagbuo ng bagong relasyon.
So, sa Reagan Readers, we offer planning, design, management, at customized experiences para matupad ang event na dream ng clients. Committed kami sa quality at creativity at sinisigurado naming maayos, personalized at unforgettable ang bawat day. We don't just create events, we make your dream into reality. Because at Reagan Readers, your dream, our reality.
VMGO Vision, leading provider of Reagan celebrations. Mission, create meaningful, joyful events. Goals and objectives, client satisfaction, memorable and elegant celebrations. This organization aims to be a top provider of exceptional event planning services, focusing on creating memorable and joyful celebrations that exceed client expectations. Their vision is to shine brightly in the industry, and their mission is to craft events that brings happiness and lasting memories.
We invite you to the MBC Alumni Homecoming and Fellowship Night, a special evening para mag-reconnect, mag-reminisce, at mas lalong mapagtatag ang samahan nating mga MBC Alumni. Expect a fun and meaningful night filled with speech, game, raffles, performance, and heart dinner with friends we miss. Your mark calendars and enjoy us as we celebrate our journey, our friendship, and our MBC parade. Tara na and magkita-kits MBC.
So in our event program schedule, we're inviting you to our much-awaited MBC alumni gathering starting at 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. onwards. So magkakaroon tayo ng inspirational message, a special video presentation of MBC journey, masarap na fellowship dinners, super saya na games at raffle draws, plus performances and special awards para sa ating alumni. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang socialization at picture taking, perfect time to catch up with old friends.
So next is vendors, so which is ito yung mga partners namin. Sa partners namin in catering is La Cecilia, which is located siya sa Malibog, Bungabong. So next is video and photo and video coverage. Nag-ano ito is the Sea Hunter. The next is photo and the next is lights and sound. So ano to is making thing. So sa Bungabong din siya matatagpuan. Then sound, souvenirs and invitations din. Ito yung sa photo central siya. So lahat ng vendors and partners namin is matatagpuan sa lahat sa Bungabong.
Venue layout. Venue is MBC Gymnasium, and our location naman is Mindoro State University, Bungabong Campus. And meron po tayo ditong red carpet, alumni networking zones, and photo booth. At ito po mga yung alumni networking zones po ay kung saan meron po tayo isang matutuluyan na maaari po natin makilala ang mga iba nating mga kasama sa paaralan. Kaya po na pagkukuha ng mga contacts at pagpapalitan ng mga pangalan para magkakilala ng mga mag-aaral. Then, ang photo booth po natin ay may maaaring area po. Maaaring kung mayroon po tayong photo booth sa ating gym na pwede po natin pagkunan ng litrato. Then, ang red carpet po natin, welcome po natin ay pwede po tayong maglakad dito habang nagbibideo.
Sige.
Landscape and decor. 500 chairs and 50 tables. Ito ang bilang ng mga upuan at mesa na kakailanganin para sa event. Sound system, projectors, and light. Mga kagamitan sa audio-visual na kakailanganin para sa presentasyon. Musika o iba pang mga pangailangan sa multimedia. Decoration and tarpaulin. Mga dekorasyon at tarpaulin na gagamitin upang palamutian ang lugar at magbigay ng tema sa event. Food and beverage. Meals and snack for 500 guests. Pagkain at merienda na inihahanda para sa 500 na bisita. Major raffle prizes, appliance, gadgets, and etc.
Initial meeting February 5, 2025. Program finalization April 2025. Final workshop May 3, 2025. Rehearsal and sit-up May 1 to 3, 2025. Initial meeting February 5, 2025. The kick-off meeting where goals, roles, and expectations are discussed to all stakeholders. Program finalization April 2025. All events, details, agenda, participants, logistics are finalized to avoid major changes moving forward. Rehearsal and sit-up May 1 to 3, 2025. These 3 days are set aside for physical preparation and practice.
So, our next is SWOT analysis. The first one is describe, well-planned, reconnecting alumni. So, alam naman natin na kapag sinabing event is, papasok na din yung pagpaplano. So, if the event is good plan, of course, magiging maganda yung outcome ng ating ng isang event. Then, second is weaknesses. Low turnout, risk, budget constraints. Ayun. Sa isang event, balik kasama na dun yung hindi natin masasabi na ma-maximize natin yung mga participant natin. So, balik magkakaroon din ng mga low participant with dahil sa iba't ibang nilang mga reasons. The next is opportunities, sponsors, online expansion. So, ito yung magandang opportunity ito para sa ibang mga participant na may mga business. Dahil dito mas ay maaari nila makilala yung mga maaaring magiging business partner nila or na maaaring tumulong sa kanila para mas mapalaguan nila yung kanilang mga business. So, maganda dito ang opportunity para sa school dahil maaari magkaroon ng sponsors, then donations. Then the last is threats, whether low engagement. So, ito isa na yung dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng weaknesses sa isang event. Dahil isa dito yung weather. Dahil hindi naman natin masasabi na that time na i-contact natin yung isang event ay maganda yung weather. Then yun yung nagiging dahilan ng mga ibang participant kung bakit hindi sila nakakadalo dun sa nasabing event.
Budget summary. For food and beverage, package for 2 days and 1 night, 65,000 pesos. Light, sounds, and decoration, 45,000 pesos. Raffle prizes and materials for activities, 150,000 pesos. For documentation and hosting, 27,000 pesos. And for transportation, 35,000 pesos. And the total estimated cost is 322,000 pesos. At ito po yung kabuoang magagastos sa MBC Alumni Homecoming and Fellowship Night.